Alrighty, how's it going? Today I'm going to go ahead and draw Venom Batman. Very simple, very easy, and you will enjoy it. So let's get started. I'm going to do it from, let's say, like a 3/4 angle, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull up, kind of for the eye area. It's going to pull up over here, kind of around the corner, down. Alright. Hook in the inside and the inner eye over here, pulling out right there, okay? Gonna go over here on this side of the ear, this side of the eye, I'm sorry. Pulling up, huge eye, down here. Same shape. Big eyes, but nothing too wild, Alrighty. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna find the top of the head, but first I'm gonna go here, find one ear, down. Curve here at the top of the head. Pulling up, down over here. So we got the ears, the Batman ears, pulling down here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and find the lips, but this is going to be the Venom part. And I'm going to find the top row of teeth, which are literally just kind of different sized triangles. Just kind of keep putting them all the way across. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like, drawing villains, drawing scary stuff. This is what the channel is for. Make requests. Say hi to me in the comments. I will say hi. I literally reply to every single comment, so talk to me. Talk to me. I'm very reachable right now because it's the off season, so absolutely I will reply to every single comment. Curves here around the eyes, just kind of have that folding kind of going on right here, maybe in the furrowing as he gets mad. Line over here, out, and then what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to draw the Venom tongue. It's going to go pretty wild. I chose to really make it go wild. You could really overdo it, but that's what we're going to do. I'm going to pull back over here, out, in, pulling out over here, in, out over here, up, and then right here that's split in the inside. Gonna go over here for the lower teeth right here. Kind of going crazy. Over here in the back as well. That'll make it look much more 3D when you do that. Curve over here for like the lower lip. Out over here, that lower lip. Down for the jaw. Pull back, up. Alright. And before it makes it there, we're going to draw the big neck coming out over here maybe on this side, neck over here on that side, down, down, line underneath, curve, line here. All right. And let's kind of connect this into his mouth over here. Let's fill in these dark spaces that would be there under the tongue. Right? Placing those dark forms, because I'm not going to fill in underneath the neck here would be dark. Don't forget, hit the like button. The channel lives on likes. The only reason this channel survives is from your likes. I'm not joking. It's the only thing that gets the algorithm's attention. So like this video and like any other video that you may have seen of mine, and hit, like I said, hit that like on every video you can. It really, really, truly helps out everything. Gonna go over here, draw a small kind of lines over here, and that's just to kind of show some dimension, right? Even on his eye area a little bit, right? He's at that white space of an eye. Gonna go right here underneath the tongue. Maybe throw a few shapes. Although I'm gonna over here in the really dark recesses of his mouth, I'm also gonna fill that in. I think that's necessary to fill in, and I'm gonna fill in the ones in the back here because they would be in the dark as well. Maybe a couple over here, just gonna fill it in. Line over here. Line like so. Just kind of fixing up a couple of lines, and I'm putting these things for texture right here. I'm drawing these little, occasionally little dots, and it makes it look like the tongue is a different texture than everything else. And that's kind of what we want, right? We want that different texture. And again, you're doing little thin lines around here, and that's just for detail. It kind of gives it the I don't know what it is, but it just when it's more detailed, it looks like you put more work into it, and when it looks like you put more work into it, people just like it more. You know, it just looks like attention to detail when you draw these thin lines everywhere, you know. And that's it. That is a Venom Batman. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want another version of it, let me know. I actually might post another version of it, like with just maybe some different decisions, right, in design. But there you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Reach out to me. Say hi to me. Like I said, now is the off season. Everybody can reach me. So absolutely say hi to me. Ask me questions, and I will talk to you soon, okay? So anything else? That's it. Stick around for the announcement. If you want to learn all about drawing from the beginning up, I will teach you for free on Skillshare, okay? So just stick around for the announcement, and that's going to kind of tell you about that. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.